Hello everyone, welcome to WebShop. Today we are going to start a second program of our Java 8 stream programming series. Now this is also asked many times in the interviews. So let's start without wasting the time. So let's open the editor. So here I have the class called as a test and I have the method called as a main method. So here create the list fatafat integer list of integer and then L is equal to arrays dot as list. Here provide some integers like 5 comma 55 comma 20 comma triple one comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. So these are some elements that we have into the list. Now we want to filter those elements are greater than 50. So for that, what we do first in the Java 8 or in the streams, we need to convert that list into the stream. So L dot stream. So we have converted into stream first here. Now use the filter function. So this is the function provided by the stream objects. Now if you observe here that stream is needed the predicate. So it needs the predicate object to create the predicate object here. So how to create this? It's very simple. Create a predicate or write a predicate of the integer. Now p is equal to bracket, let's say n, then provide the implementations in the curly braces. So here the predicate is accepting true or false. Okay. So here predicate have a method called as a test which returns true or false. Now we have to provide the condition here like if that n is less than 50, then return true. That means if it is less than 50, don't do anything, it's true. Okay, but if it is not less than 50, then return false. So that's the implementation for the predicates using the lambda expression. Now the thing is that filter is accepting the predicate. So here we have to provide this predicate object p. So internally filter will call that test method on that p and it will pass every element of that list one by one and will check by using that predicate test method that this is less than 50 or not. If it is greater than 50, then it will remove. So in that way, that filter will work. So we have provided here that predicate to filter. But the thing is, I want to collect into the list. So for that, we have to use one method called as collect. Inside here, we have to provide a type of collection using the collectors. So there is a class called as a collector. And then if you want to collect into the list, so provide here to list. If you want to collect into the list set, then you can use set also like this. But right now we want only list. Okay, so collect here list of integer and NL. Let's say print this number of list. Let's run the application. Now you can see 528894. That's it. That means it is removing the elements those are greater than the 50. But can we improve this program? Yes, definitely. How to improve? Let's first improve this predicate implementation. So how we can do that? That predicate needs a true or false. Okay, true or false. So for that, we can do one thing. We can remove this curly braces. No need of that curly braces. So if it is less than 50, then it will return true, otherwise false. Now we can remove this curly braces also. We don't need this thing. Then after this, we can remove this also. Anyway, at the end, it is returning true or false. So we can modify this in that way. So at the end, we need this condition only because this condition is returning true or false. So instead of writing that much of implementation, we can write this condition which return true or false. So here, if you see, remove this also. Okay. So here it will iterate. So not iteration, that filter will iterate one by one and pass every element here, and it will check that that element is less than 50 or not. If it is less than 50, then it will keep, otherwise it will filter. So we are providing this P here. So can we improve this? Yes, definitely. Instead of writing predicate P is equal to the implementation, we can provide that implementation directly here by copying this and paste here. That's it. So it's very easy, and we know within a one line we can able to filter the elements. So let's revise the program again. So here we have created a list. After this, we convert that list into the stream. Into the stream there is a filter function. Into the filter function we are providing the predicate implementation. Okay, so this is a lambda expression for the predicate, and filter will pick every element in each iteration and will put at the place of the n. Okay, so that means n is equal to 5 here. So it will compare n is less than 50 or not. Not, then it will keep. If it is greater than 50, then it will filter. So let's run it again and let's see the output. Now you can see all the elements are greater, those are greater than 50, it is removed. So that's all about the filter functionality. Now, thanks for watching the video. And if you like this, then please share and subscribe.